Hello everyone. Last day we saw that how the template works in Django and how we can connect the templates and the HTML file and how we can print this. Today we will see that the workflow in template in Django means how the workflow is going on behind the screen. We can't see this but we will know about this. So first open the VS Code here and here is the app and the project which we had worked in the last day. So first we'll run the server. Yeah. So now you can see that the server is on, means the server is live. Now we'll go to the browser and write localhost 8000. We don't hit the enter at this time. We'll know that if we hit the enter, it will show that whatever text is there in the HTML file. But we'll know how this works. So first we run the server and the server is also live. The server is live. And now in the browser we write this. So the request goes to here from the server. And now from the localhost 8000 when I write this here, the request go to in the settings.py of the project. The request goes to here and it will check first that these things, that is there any URLs of the project is here or not. It is create automatically. You don't have to write this. So when we create the project, it is create automatically. So it check the things first. Now it will go to the us.py of the project and it will check the which things are there. So it can show that there is something going to include and there is something which is this. So here is from Django does URLs import path and include. So this path is automatically come here, means this is inbuilt and we include this. Also we import include here. So what is include? It's want to include the basic.apps, means the basic apps URLs here. So in the main project URLs, it wants to include here the basic app URLs. That's why we use include here. Now when we use this, control goes to basic app URLs. Control come here first. Now it shows that there is Django.urls and import part which is inbuilt function and come automatically. And now here is something which is we want to import basic from .views. Then Django thought that what is basic, because we can't see the basic previous, and so it's read the line that from where we want to import basic, that from views. So it goes to views folder, and now in this views folder it got the basic function here. And here is something HTTP response and request. You may think that what are those things? Yeah, when suppose you think that when we go in a restaurant, the waiter came to us and it's writes some order of us, and then it according to order it served the food. So this is something like that. Then it takes the things which is request, means this request takes this and response is return the response. So here we can see that here is a request, means it's take the render function as a request, and it's also the basic.html it's take here, which is we create in the templates. Now control goes to from views.py. It's found that the basic function here. Now it's again goes to the basic app URLs and it's check that there is a list. In this list we pass the path, and in this path we pass int string and the basic function here. Now the control goes to the templates. In this templates, in this HTML folder, and it's check that what should we print. It's check the hello world. We want to print the hello world. And now from here control goes to the server again. Means control goes to here, the server is live, so the control goes to the server again, and here we enter, if we enter this, now it will print hello world. So this is how the total workflow is going on. I'll show you visually. So you can see here that there is total workflow which I have told you now. You may write these things and practice this. Thank you for today. In the next day we will talk about another interesting things. Thank you so much.